So Lobi in Lingala, it has two different meanings. It means tomorrow and it also means yesterday. So that word has two different meanings. So depending on how you use it in a sentence, it can mean either or. So let's look at some definitions of how we can differentiate the two words through to forming our sentences. If you wanted to say, "Can I meet you tomorrow?" So that's a question you ask someone, right? So ngotuna mutu na anglais tokokutana na lobi orobake. Can I meet you tomorrow? Can I meet you tomorrow? Ngalaksa tokokutana lobi. Can I meet you tomorrow? Which is a question, isn't it? Nakoki kokutana nayo lobi. Nakoki kokutana nayo lobi. So this part here, NA, is like you're phrasing, you're asking a question, right? So remember, in reality, that it means, in bracket, it means, so you're kind of saying first person. So it's first person, and it really means me, myself, and I. So it can mean either or of those things, right? So you're asking a question. So Nakoki, so koki, the second part of the sense, the word, the second terminology of it, which we'll highlight here in koki, in this sentence, it kind of means you're asking can. So it means can. So now you can see na, which means first person, that means me, myself, and I. And koki means can. A koki. So it means can. It can also say, so if you say a koki can also mean fit. And let's make this in fit. So does it fit in? So a koki sometimes can mean fit. Like, not I am fit, or in English we say, oh, I'm fit, I can run a mile, I'm so fit, I can run a mile. But in this terminology, it means fit as in fitting in. Oh, I don't fit in with them. I don't fit in with those set of people. So ekokite. So ekokinga. So if I put on my trousers, I can say ekoki. So that means it fits as well. So you got to think koki means can, also means fit. Not as in I'm a runner, I'm strong. It means to fit in. All right. So let's go. Kokutana means to meet up. Kokutana, so that means meet up, or just meet in general. So meet up, so it means to meet, really. So meet up is how this sentence is structured, but in that sense it means to meet. All right, so tokoki kokutana kutana. So remember that ko, this ko part, we'll put it in abbreviations for you guys. This is the action word, so it's an action. So the ko, it really means to in English, so it's the action, right? In English, we'll put this one in let's go for blue this time. So that's the action word. Then nayo, so that means nakoki okutana nayo. So this is that person. So this, you're saying yo. So yo, just like in English, it means you. So you're saying you. You're asking that person. So that means you. Yeah, so that means you. And again, lobi in this sense, it means tomorrow, because you're asking a question, right? Nakoki kokutana nayo lobi, which means you're implying, can I meet you tomorrow? Do you get what I'm trying to say? So again, thank you for watching Learn Lingala, and we'll look at the other way of saying it tomorrow for our word of the day.